In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Adobe Acrobat notifications. If Adobe Acrobat notifications are popping up more often than you'd like, the good news is that you can disable them in just a few moments from your account settings. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, go to your Adobe Acrobat homepage. This is the main dashboard where you land after signing in, and it's where you can access your files, recent activity, and account options. Make sure you're fully logged in before continuing because the notification setting is tied to your profile preferences. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where Adobe keeps several personal and app-related settings. If you don't immediately see the menu, give the page a second to load and then try again. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where you can adjust how Adobe Acrobat behaves for your account, including communication and notification preferences. It's a good place to remember for other account customizations as well. After the Settings page opens, find the Notifications section. In that area, you'll see a checkbox next to the option labeled Enable Notifications. Click the checkbox to uncheck it. When the box is unchecked, notifications are turned off. This step is the key change, so take a quick moment to confirm that the checkbox is no longer selected before moving on. Once you've unchecked Enable Notifications, click Save. This makes sure your changes are applied to the account. If you leave the page without saving, the setting may not update, so this last click is important. After saving, your Adobe Acrobat notifications should be turned off. If you still happen to see alerts afterward, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in to make sure the update has fully taken effect. In some cases, browser notifications or system-level notifications may also need to be managed separately, but within Adobe Acrobat itself, this is the setting you need. And that's it. That's how to turn off Adobe Acrobat notifications quickly and easily. Once you know where the profile menu and settings are, it becomes a very simple adjustment whenever you want to change it again.